Hello students, Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Hope you all are well. I'm also well. First of all, I'm introducing myself to you. I'm Mr. Saiful English teacher of Bahadurpur Nishikanto Girls School and College. My dear students, welcome to the online class during the pandemic like COVID-19, and the online class is organized by our honored principal Mr. Ranojit Kumar Modu on behalf of Bahadurpur Nishikanto Girls School and College. Agoljar Aborishal. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about changing sentence. Okay, so the topic is about changing sentence. My dear students, I think you know the structure of assertive sentence and you know the structure of exclamatory sentence. Then I am writing two structures on the board. Please look at the board very carefully. Assertive sentence. The structure of assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, subject, verb, object or complement or adverb. End of the sentence you have to use full stop. And exclamatory sentence. My dear students, look here. Exclamatory sentence. This is how or what plus adjective plus subject plus verb plus note of exclamation. It is mandatory to use end of the sentence note of the exclamation. I again repeat it. It is mandatory to use end of the sentence note of exclamation in the exclamatory sentence. Another pattern, this is some interjection words such as alaj, hooray, fie, bravo, oh my god, wow, etc. etc. Yes, the words are alaj, hooray, fie, wow, etc. plus assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, and end of the sentence you have to use full stop. Yes, these words are known as interjection. Alas, hooray, fie, wow. So, students, now I show you how to change assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence and how to change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. I want to clear you through some examples. Yes. First one. How to change assertive to exclamatory. The bird is very beautiful. Very beautiful. This is assertive sentence and you have to convert into exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory. Instead of very, this is adverb. Instead of very, you can use how. Then adjective, this is beautiful. How beautiful. how beautiful. Subject, this is the bird, how beautiful the bird is. End of the question, it is mandatory to use note of interrogation. Yes, how beautiful the bird is. The bird is very beautiful. How beautiful the bird is. Next example, he is a grateful. Exclamatory. You have to change into exclamatory. Exclamatory. My dear students, to change this sentence into exclamatory, beginning of this sentence, you have to use how or what. Instead of great, you can use what. What a fool he. This is subject and then verb. What a fool he is. End of the sentence, you have to use note of exclamation. Next example, it is a matter of sorrow that his mother's died. His mother is died. Exclamatory. Exclamatory. My dear students, look at the sentence very carefully. It is a matter of sorrow. You can use, instead of it is a matter of sorrow, you can use alert. Alert. Then rest part of the sentence. This is his mother is died. Alert. His mother is died. End of the sentence, you have to use full stop. Another example. It is a matter of joy that we have won the game. Game. Exclamatory. Okay, my dear students, look at the board. It is a matter of joy that, instead of it is a matter of joy that, you can use hooray. Hooray. After this interjection, you have to use note of exclamation hooray, then rest part of the sentence. We have won the game. Yes. End of the sentence, you have to use full stop. My dear students, now I am giving some another examples how to change exclamatory to assertive. Yes. Exclamatory to assertive. Exclamatory to assertive. Assertive. How beautiful. You may follow the example like this. How beautiful the bird is. This is an example of exclamatory sentence. You have to convert into assertive. Assertive. The structure of assertive sentence is subject, verb, object, or complement or adverb. So, if you are told to convert this sentence into an assertive sentence, first time you have to identify the subject, and the verb is, this is the subject, then verb, and then rest part of the sentence. So, we can write the bird as a subject beginning of the sentence, and then bird. The bird is, instead of how, you have to use very or great. Of course, according to meaning, the bird is very beautiful. End of the sentence you have to use full stop. Another example for you. What a shame. What a shame it is. Yes, this is exclamatory sentence. You have to turn into assertive sentence. Assertive. This is it, and this is subject. It is a, instead of what, you have to use great. It is a great shame. And end of the sentence you have to use full stop. My dear students, I am giving another example for you. Alert. Alert. His mother is tired. You have to turn into assertive sentence. Assertive. My dear students, look at the board or look at the example very carefully. Alas, the word is, this is interjection. Instead of this word, it refers just sorrow. As a result, instead of this word, you have to use, it is a matter of sorrow. If the word is, or if the word refers with joy, you can use, it is a matter of joy, like this. Yes? Alas, it is a matter of sorrow. Sorrow that, this is used as a conjunction. Yes, this is used as a conjunction. It is a matter of sorrow that, rest part of the sentence, and the rest part of the sentence is his mother is died. Yes, his mother is died. Another example. Hooray! We have done well in the exam. In the examination. Examination. Turn into assertive sentence. You have to turn into assertive sentence. Then, with this word, it refers joy. We have done well in the examination. As a result, you have to use, instead of hooray, it is a matter of joy that we have done well in the exam.